Welcome to Bélanger's H2flo Roman Bathtub Faucet Installation Guide. This guide will give you step-by-step instructions on how to successfully install the H2flo Roman Bathtub Faucet, including the steps necessary to properly prepare the area. Preparing the area. Before you begin, ensure that the water supply valves have been shut off and the area in which you are working is properly cleaned and free from any residue. Please also note that the Roman bath should have an access panel on the side of the bath for easy access to the faucet connections and the bath drain. Prepare the area by drilling 4 holes with a diameter of 1 1/8 of an inch. These will be used for the spout, 2 handles, and the hand shower. It is suggested to leave 5 inches, 127 millimeters, in between the center of each consecutive hole, with 10 inches, 254 millimeters, between the centers of the holes for each handle. There should also be a hole with a diameter of 3/16 of an inch for the anti-rotation pin. It is necessary to ensure the distance between the center of the spout hole and the center of the anti-rotation hole is 1.1 inches, or 28 millimeters. This measurement cannot vary. You are now ready to install the faucet handles. Throughout the installation, remember to tighten all nuts while using an appropriate wrench. Handle installation. The 2 handles are installed in a similar fashion. Ensure the cold water handle and valve, identified by a blue dot and the letter C, respectively, is installed to the right of the spout hole, and the hot water handle and valve, identified by the letter H, is installed to the left. Disassemble the cold water handle, leaving the bottom retainer nut, as well as the rubber and metal washers, in place. From under the bathtub, insert the cold water valve in the hole located to the right of the spout hole. Using the nut, adjust the height of the valve so the bottom of the flattened part of the threads is aligned, or flush with the top of the bathtub. Hold this position in place with one hand. Using your other hand, install the remaining rubber and metal washer, screwing the nut to secure the valve to the bathtub. Secure the trim flange. Add the handle and secure using the set screw, finishing with the plug cover. Repeat these steps to place and secure the hot water handle and valve located to the left of the spout hole. Spout installation. Disassemble the spout by unscrewing the Allen screw from behind. Pull apart the spout from its T-connector. Do not unscrew. Unscrew the superior spout nut, holding nut, from the spout T-connector, making sure that the nut and the metal and rubber washers are in place on the spout connector. From underneath the bathtub, insert the top of the T-connector into the hole between the 2 handles. From over the bathtub, screw the superior spout nut, holding nut, fully to the end to secure the connector in place. From underneath, secure the connector by tightening the nut, metal, and rubber washers to the bottom of the bathtub. Place the O-ring over the connector, ensuring it fits securely under the spout flange for maximum seal. Reinstall the spout with the anti-turn pin, making sure to insert the pin into the drilled stop hole. Secure the spout by inserting the set screw at the back of the spout using the Allen key. By doing so, you are ensuring there is a tight connection between the set screw and the holding nut, which in turn will hold the spout in place. Hand shower holder installation. Unscrew the bottom nut and take off the metal and rubber washers. Place the brass hand shower holder into the pre-designed hole, ensuring the O-ring is placed securely under the flange ring. The flange ring will lie flush with the top of the bathtub. From underneath the tub, screw the rubber and metal washers, as well as the retainer nut, to the holder. Connect the hose to the hand shower, making sure that the rubber washer is in place. From above, slide the hose through the holder to sit the hand shower on its base. Valve and water supply connection. Connect the spout to the hand shower hose using the braided flexible connector hose provided. Tighten all connections using appropriate tools. Use the additional flexible connectors included to join the valves to the spout connector. Connect the hot and cold valves to the corresponding water supply lines, which can be PEX or copper. Testing the connection. Verify that there are no leaks by slowly opening the hot and cold water valves. If a leak is visible, shut off the water supply and tighten connectors 1/4 turn using the appropriate tool. Repeat if necessary. Turn on the faucet and leave both hot and cold water running for at least 1 minute to evacuate the air trapped in the pipes.